And we're going to do some arm work. And make sure that your feet again are parallel. You spread through the toes and that your knee is over your ankle. That really helps you stay safe on the ball. We're going to take the shoulders back and rotate the palms forward. So simple bicep curl. Take a nice deep inhale. As you exhale, you're going to draw up for 8 and 7. Good. 6 and 5. It's 4, 3, good, 2, and 1. Second set, it's 8, and 7, good, 6, and 5. It's 4, 3, 2, and one more set. It's 8, and 7, good, 6, and 5. Here's 4, 3, good, 2, and last one. Very nice. So rotate the palms back. Let's again take the shoulder blades so that the tips of the shoulder blades are touching, and a very light grip on your weight. So lift the right arm up and then release down. So we're gonna go 8, 7, stay tall. Here's 6 and 5. Good, 4, 3, here's 2 and 1. It's 8 and 7. Good, 6 and 5. Here's 4, 3, good, 2 and 1. Nice job. Second set, it's 8 and 7. Here's 6 and 5. Good, 4, 3, keep the chest lifting, 2 and 1. More set, it's 8 and 7. Good, 6 and 5. Here's 4, 3, 2, and last one. Nice job. So now both arms coming up very slow, lots of control, lifting up with a nice deep inhale, exhaling. So inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale, lift, exhale, slowly release. 4 more. Inhale, lift, exhale, release. Inhale, lift, exhale, release. Good job. 2 more. Inhale, lift, exhale, release. And last time, inhale, lift, and exhale, release. Good. So out to the side. Elbows are soft. Here we go. 4, 8, 7. It's 6, 5. Don't let the shoulders creep up. 3. Here's 2 and 1. Good. I'm with you here. So here's 8 and 7. Good. 6. Woo! And 5. Here's 4 and 3. Good, 2, and last one. Perfect. All right, so we'll get the triceps. Let's just readjust our posture, right? Get the feet under your knees. We're gonna take both weights, or one weight, working the triceps. Reach up over the head. Elbows are a little bit tucked in. Draw the navel in towards your spine and push straight up. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Second set. Here's 8 and 7, 6, and 5. Here's 4, 3, 2, and one more set. Here's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Excellent. Very carefully stand up. Let's go ahead and put the weights down. We're going to stretch, but we'll do a yoga stretch. We'll do what's called eagle pose. You're going to take your arms by your side. Inhale, float them up even to your shoulders. Go ahead and bend the right elbow and draw it towards the nose. Take the left arm, wrap it around, and lift the elbows up just slightly so we separate the traps. Take 3 more breaths. Go ahead and unwind. Let's release your arms down. Go ahead and reach the arms up. We'll stretch out your wrists, so press the palms up towards the ceiling. And this is a good stretch also for the forearms and the elbows. Let's rotate down. So we're going to press the palm towards the floor as we stretch a little more through the wrist. Now swim your arms back. Let's come into our interlock fingers. So we're going to draw the shoulder blades, open that chest again. Maybe a small lift of the sternum. 3 deep breaths. Very good. Release your hands even to your shoulders. Let's bend your left elbow. Draw the left thumb towards your nose, wrapping the right arm around. We're stretching through the rhomboids, the back of the shoulder blades. Come into some deep breaths, at least 3. Very good. Unwind. Let's stretch your triceps. So reach the arms up. Take your right hand to the middle of your back. And with your left hand, you're grabbing that right elbow. Sit up tall. Take a nice deep inhale here. As you exhale, go ahead and lean over to the left. So we'll get a little side stretch at the same time. We're getting that tricep. Good. Pull the belly in, come back to center. Let's reach your arms up. That left hand to the middle of your back. Hold onto that elbow. Chin comes up, so sit tall. Take an inhale, and as you exhale, go ahead and lean a little bit to the right. Open up that left rib cage. You still have to stay focused on the core engaged. That's really what's keeping you on the ball now. Take another full breath. Very good. And now slowly come back up. Let's release your hands down to the ball. We're going to truly in honor the light in me, salutes that light in you, and together we say, Namaste. Thanks you guys so much for joining me this afternoon. You guys are awesome.